Finding the right maintenance partner can be stressful with so many service provider choices. Do you stay with your last provider, or do you try someone new? When making the jump to a new provider, it's unknown if they will be better or worse than your last provider. At the end of the day, you want peace of mind that your valves have been repaired properly and will perform reliably in your process throughout their life cycle. Emerson has vetted hundreds of service centers to bring together the largest and most experienced valve service network in the world. Along with our own Emerson service centers, we have specially selected service providers called our Emerson Accredited Service Providers. Our providers offer local service expertise on control valves, regulators, pressure relief valves, isolation valves, and actuators. While our partners have built their skill sets on some of the strongest Emerson brands in the industry, their capabilities and expertise are unmatched across any valve, actuator, or regulator in the market. Accredited service providers are audited by Emerson, a valve manufacturer, to ensure an OEM standard of service expertise is available locally. They have a direct line of communication with Emerson's valve experts to solve your most challenging valve applications. Because valves are complex pieces of equipment, specific knowledge and training are necessary to provide a smooth turnaround experience. Our providers utilize proven processes from over 50 years of experience on maintenance events, from scoping to post-outage review. To ensure reliability, the accredited service provider technicians have access to OEM training and will only use genuine OEM parts on all your assets. With our providers, not only will your valves be repaired, but their performance will also be enhanced. They have the OEM service procedures to restore assets back to their original manufactured state. They also utilize the same diagnostic tools that an Emerson technician would use to evaluate and service your equipment. Whether you use an Emerson service center or one of our many accredited service providers, you can find a valve service partner you can trust. Find your local accredited service provider on emerson.com/valve services to start planning your next maintenance event.